Hi all, so I know we're all busy making these headbands at the moment. I'm just going to give you a little quick video on how I've been putting them together. There's lots of different ways to do it, and there is lots of different things on Pinterest and YouTube as to different methods. So really it's just whichever one works best for you, but I'll just show you quickly how I've been doing it here. So the first step was I took Poppy Monroe's template that she shared on her site on YouTube. I cut that out 4 times and stuck it so I had the whole pattern, and I've cut my patterns as a whole like that. I just found it worked better and you didn't get as much wastage on the fabric. Just fold your piece together, wrong sides facing out, and I'm going to put this edge first of all through my overlocker. I'm doing all of this on the overlocker, so that's just going to go through. So the bit that you've just seen me overlock here, we're folding that inside, and we've got effectively the whole band now the right way round. So now I'm just going to put a tiny safety pin where this is sewn there on that seam. You just put a little safety pin in. I just find that makes it a lot easier for the next step that we're going to come to, which is the really fiddly bit, where you're going to turn this through itself. So you want to push this back on itself, but you're keeping this little bit here together, which is why I put that safety pin in it. And you just pull this out, and we're going to put this bit through the overlocker. Okay, so you want to obviously make sure that you're not going to put that safety pin through your overlocker, but this is where we start. Where we've pulled it through goes into the overlocker. You're going to overlock that and continue to pull this through. You have to just be careful that you don't stitch the inside bits, but that's going to sort of come through like a sausage, and you're going to sew down this edge here. Just keep continuing pulling that through. And just keep checking that you're not stitching the innards as well. You just want to go right way down the edge, keeping that away. So now we've got this sausage that's all stitched, the rest of it's inside, and we've left this tiny little hole, but because it's jersey fabric, nice and stretchy, we can pull it back out through that little hole, and there we've got our headband. Okay, and I'm just going to top stitch, or you could, let me just snip that, you could just do it with a tiny little hand stitch if you wanted. I mean, that hole is sort of the size of my, not even my thumb, my finger. But you can either top stitch it or just do a little hand stitch to close that up. If you get it small enough, you can't even see the holes there, but I will close that one up. And that's it. It's just ready to put the buttons on now.